have your direct materials, you have your direct labor, and we have our manufacturing overhead. Okay, how do we compute for direct materials, no? Na standard cost. Siyempre, yung walang kamatayang standard quantity times standard price. Tama? Okay. Then, your direct labor naman is your standard hours times your standard rate. Okay, should be ito ha. And your manufacturing overhead, paano ito class? We compute first for the applied overhead. And that would be your predetermined overhead rate and to be multiplied by the standard hours. Usually, the standard hours ay hindi given. How do we compute for the standard hours? And that would be your actual units produced, alright? And it is to be multiplied by the required hours. Yan yung usual na formula natin in our standard hours. Okay. We do it one by one. Okay. But syempre, class, no? Pag sinasabing standard costing, hindi mawawala dyan yung tinatawag natin variance analysis. Okay? Lagi yan tambal. Na? Pag sinabing standard costing, you have your variance analysis. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng variance analysis? You compare your actual cost with your standard cost. Common sense. If your actual cost is more than your standard cost, favorable or unfavorable? Malaki ang actual cost mo sa standard cost mo? Is unfavorable. If your actual cost naman ay mas maliit sa standard cost natin, ito ay favorable. Okay? And that would be your variance analysis. Okay? Sige. Okay naman ito. Erase ko na ito muna. Picture nyo muna. Okay? So, as part of the standard cost. Kasi, we go now doon sa variance analysis. Kasi, in the board exam, usually, ang tanong dyan ay nasa variance analysis. Sige. So, wala na tayo class. Okay? How do we compute for your variance analysis in terms of direct materials? Una, we go first with our direct materials variance or your total materials variance. How do we compute for total materials variance? The formula is like this: actual quantity times actual price minus standard quantity times standard price. Ibig sabihin, you have your actual and you have your standard. I will assume numbers ha. Halimbawa, actual quantity mo ay 1,000. Actual price mo ay 2 piso. Standard quantity mo ay 1,500. And let's say this is at piso. Okay? Mabilis tayo class. So, ibig sabihin, magkano yung actual natin? 2,000 and we have 1,500. Okay, ibig sabihin, you have 500. 500, favorable or unfavorable? Actual mo ay 2,000, standard mo ay 1,500. Sigurado class ito ay unfavorable. Okay, under direct materials variance, dalawang klase yan. Okay, number 1, that would be your direct, or I will put na lang here, materials price variance. You have materials price variance. How do we compute for materials price variance? I will teach you 3 methods. Number 1, using formula. Memorize. O, paano yan? Actual quantity times actual price minus actual quantity times standard price. Okay, memorize mo na tayo. Magkano actual quantity? 1,000. Magkano actual price? piso. Magkano class yung actual quantity natin? 1,000 pa din times standard price of piso. Ito ay 2,000. Ito ay 1,000. Ibig sabihin, we have 1,000 unfavorable. Okay. Ito class ay memorize. Okay. Number 2. Class, since ito ay materials, price, ibig sabihin, difference in terms of your price. Actual price minus standard price. Ano class yung parehas sa dalawang yan? Actual quantity. Actual price, magkano? 2 piso. Standard price, piso. Actual quantity, magkano class? 1,000. Parehas ba? Yes. 1,000 unfavorable. Bahala kayo kung anong gusto niya. Ano ba pinuha sa inyo? Ito or ito? Ha? Apa ba? Wala iba. At least, no? You have so many options. Diba? You have so many options. Diba? Okay. Sa akin, ganito, no? Okay. I have another later. No? So, next one. Next one is about number 2. Materials price variance. We have naman number 2 is about materials quantity variance. So in terms of the materials quantity variance, ito ay memorize na naman. No? Okay. Actual quantity times standard price minus standard quantity times your standard price. Okay. Magkano yung actual quantity sa given natin kanina? 1,000. Magkano yung standard price natin? Piso. Minus standard quantity natin? 1,500 times standard price of piso. Ito ay 1,000. Ito ay 1,500. Ibig sabihin, we have 500. 1,000 is actual. 1,500 is standard. Ito ay favorable. Okay. Or, ito class ay materials quantity. Difference in terms of your quantity. That's why, actual quantity minus standard quantity. Ano yung parehas sa class? Standard price. Actual quantity, magkano? 1,000. Standard quantity, 1,500. Standard price ay piso. Parehas ba? Yes. Okay, so bahala kayo. Bahala kayo if A or letter B. Alam nyo class, may letter C pa yan. And for me, ito yung pinakamadali. No? Okay. Pero class, disclaimer, dapat the unit use ay kaparehas ng unit purchase. Dapat ang unit use ay kaparehas ng unit purchase. Paano yan? Una mong gagawin, lagay mo sa left side ay actual. Actual quantity times actual price. Okay? Lagay mo sa right yung standard. Una muna yung quantity ha. Standard quantity times standard price. Extreme left. Ano yun? Actual quantity. Extreme right, standard price. Multiply. Class. Ano ito? Ano ito? Is a formula. And ano naman ito? Diba ito ay materials, price, variance. This one is materials, quantity, variance. Disclaimer, magagamit mo lang to kung ang unit use ay kaparehas ng unit purchase. Pag hindi, huwag mo gamitin to, magkakamali ka. Mas madali ba to? Yes. Lagay mo lang yung actual, lagay mo lang yung standard, extreme left, actual quantity, extreme right, standard price. Okay. Di ba class? Ito ay 1,000. Ito yun, unfavorable. Let's copy na lang, no? Ito naman ay 500 favorable, right? Actual quantity, actual price, di ba? Ito yun, 2,000. Tama. Ito naman ay 1,000. 2,000 minus 1,000, 1,000 unfavorable. Ito naman ay 1,500. 1,000 minus 1,500, 500, favorable. Anong tawag dito class? MPV plus MQV. That would be your direct materials variance. To check kung tama tayo class. 1,000 unfavorable plus 500 favorable. 500 unfavorable, which is the same as this one. To check kung tama tayo, if you add 1,000 unfavorable ng materials price plus 500 favorable in the materials quantity, dapat ang answer natin ay 500 unfavorable. Pag hindi yan parehas, may mali tayo. Okay? And that would be your materials variance. So,